In my home, most of our curtains are like see-through, but not white, usually like a blue or natural color. So if I stand in front of it, people could most likely see a blurred image of me. As a woman, should I wear a hijab in front of these windows when moving into its view? I was told that because they don't know it's me, that it is fine. But I feel uncomfortable because it's not that blurred out. I am shocked by the lack of manhood and jealousy in a lot of such homeowners. I get a lot of similar questions from daughters, from sisters, from wives, complaining that the man of the house objects to putting curtains that will block people from seeing what's inside. Such specimens of male species do not qualify to be called as men, because manhood is displayed in actions, in feelings, in protection. And if a man, whether a father or a husband or a brother, lacks this feeling, he's not a real man. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, 3 will not enter paradise. Allah will not look at them. Allah will not purify them. And Allah Azza wa Jal would torment them severely on the Day of Judgment. The first one is ad-dayyuth. And the companion said, what is the meaning of dayyuth, O Prophet of Allah? He said, the man who does not care about what happens to his womenfolk, whether they go around with men, whether they come out not wearing hijab, whether they flirt with the opposite gender, whether men look at them. He doesn't care. It's okay. And unfortunately, lots of them westernized folks feel this way. He wouldn't have any problem if someone approaches him and says, can I have a dance with your wife? He thinks that, whoa, I'm civil. Not knowing that he's not a real man. So, first of all, this has to be corrected. And such a specimen of an individual or a species of a male must be promoted to a man by telling him that this is haram, you should fear Allah Azza wa Jal, and you should be protective of your women folk by not allowing Tom, Dick, and Harry to gaze and look at them. Secondly, even if the image is blurred, people could see your body figure and they could tell whether you're a man or a woman. And this by itself is not allowed. So you have to do something about it, even if you put newspapers on the window behind these curtains, so it would block totally anyone from seeing what's behind it, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.